Your annual pen test costs $50,000 and is outdated the day the report lands. There's a better way. But your attack surface changes every day. New code, new APIs, new vulnerabilities. Hackers don't wait 12 months. Why should your security? That's why organizations are moving to automated penetration testing. With ZeroThreat, you get AI-driven pen testing that runs continuously. It simulates real-world attacks across your applications and APIs, identifies vulnerabilities in real time, and prioritizes them based on actual risk, not theoretical scores. No delays, no manual bottlenecks, no outdated reports. Instead of one annual report, you get continuous visibility. Instead of reactive fixes, you stay ahead of threats. And instead of spending tens of thousands on point-in-time testing, you invest in always-on security. Start your free automated pen test today with ZeroThreat, because with ZeroThreat, your security should never expire.